Good afternoon, traders, fellow traders, my students, my subscribers. I greet all. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, reaching you from the land of rising sun. Today is Saturday, 6th of July, 2025. I want to bring you the advanced method of Elliott Wave strategy we use to trade and analyze every instrument, be it currency, stock, indices, commodity, crypto, whatever that can be traded, that can see on the screen. We analyze and trade it with Elliott Wave, advanced method of it. So that's why, remember, for the past weeks, I keep saying that we are still selling. Even now, the selling is not yet over. This current move up is another opportunity to buy, sorry, to sell. So selling have started here again. Now let's go lower to 4 hours and maybe eventually 1 hour. This move up is another reason that we should look for sell. So I won't waste time for this week's video. If you don't know what sell setup is or buy setup is, join my class. I don't charge you much. You can equally join my free channel on Telegram. Two of them, they are free. That place I share trade setups freely. The links are at the bio. So now another trading is coming from here. Another sell. I have no reason to buy DSY right now. So selling is what I'm looking for. And as a matter of fact, even right now is the time to sell. Okay? Because selling from now, stop loss will be just here. So the risk is small. Stop loss will be just either here or here. But if you want to be at the safe side, you put stop loss here. But putting it here seems so far. Okay. But I have seen the reversal reason to sell from here, stop loss here. So uh that's for DSY. So let's check USD card. The same situation on USD card. Though I didn't expect this much move up. Within the week, I was expected to see set up around here. So I just made an ABC, and this is one of the reasons you always use stop loss, and don't allow it to be far. If I have seen set up here, I would have sold, and my stop would have been here. If I have sold it, my stop would have been here because here it will be small. Even if I lose it, I can still look for sell from here and sell again. So, and as I can see this market, the selling have started. Though it remains confirmation. You can go down to 3 minutes time frame and look for confirmation. But to me, the selling has started on on USD card. So I'm removing this. It didn't reverse as I expected. So that's I'm looking for it to give me another confirmation to sell. Then the selling will continue, and a new low is what I'm expecting. USD chef situation, the same thing. USD share didn't move as high as USD card. So a new low is what I'm looking for on both on at least on USD chef. A new low is expected even on higher time frame. But USD card, we might get a new low on higher time frame. But USD chef are looking for a new low. So selling have already started. You go to 1 hour or 3 minutes and join the trend. Okay, let's continue. Euro USD is the buy market. No reason to sell for now. Let me go to daily to show you why I still want to buy. So Euro USD, it have touched the first reversal zone. Now this entire place is the reversal zone. So it can touch it and begin to go. It can go deeper. Okay, so all this zone is a reversal zone. It came into it, it's going down, but this move is not an impulse move. So we are still going higher. We may even come to this zone. So if the market continue going up and enter this zone, that would be fantastic. But then from here, we begin to sell. Now we have two reversal zones. This one entered this higher one. So both of them are adversarial zones. So the market to enter this zone is normal. Okay, so and of course this is daily time frame. We need to go lower to 1 hour, 15 minutes to enter a trade. So now 1 hour is telling us that this this expanding flat, this expanding flat A, B, C has been concluded. Okay, so buying it, stop loss will be just here. Okay, if it drops a lower, very fine. If it doesn't drop, once it breaks this place, it will be a time to buy. Okay, be mindful of that. Let's go to pounds JPY, pounds USD. Pounds USD gave us a bigger drop that we expected. Last week, last week I didn't show you daily time frame on many pays, but I show you 4 hours on everything. So last week I said that this place is a buy confirmation and it's bought. Now, whenever I'm saying this steady, whenever you have a nice profit, move your trade to break even in case of this type of movement. As a matter of fact, I didn't expect this to happen. I was expecting a kind of little movement, another move up, but it went very, very down. So if you have bought maybe around here or around here, for those who entered through 15 minutes time frame, I entered around here and I moved my stop loss to this place when this happened. Though it closed on break even, but I have profit. It will be wrong for you to after this move you lose again. It's wrong. So it means you don't know what you're doing. So anything can happen in the market. So whenever you have profit, protect it. Now I'm looking for another buy opportunity. That will be of 15 minutes frame or 1 hour. So, and of course, here have been my target. If eventually if it begin to happen. So right now, it will have is about to give us a buy setup from here. But right now, no confirmation. I'm waiting for confirmation for me to enter buy on pounds USD. That's one of the pairs I trade. AUD USD, nothing much to explain. Even going to daily or 4 hours, nothing much to explain. The market is going bullish. Not too much talk on that one. This is just one, two, three, four. Then we are heading to wave five. All you're gonna do is to go to 1 hour of 15 minutes to find buy setup. Using the USD, the same thing. One, two, three, four. So nothing to explain other than going down to 1 hour and 15 minutes to find your buy setup and join. If you didn't buy above this place, it's time to buy again. Um, you know JPY. Let me go to daily. You know JPY. We have gotten to the reversal zone. Okay, but we must wait for it to reverse. Don't if you are watching my video, it will be a crime for you to miss a big move. Although, as a matter of fact, in as much that I'm expecting this big drop to happen, even if it won't happen, at least we'll get half of it. But this is the only thing logical to happen on this pair. But for it to, but not a must. But that's what I'm expecting. So don't miss it if you're following me. Okay. So go down to 1 hour and begin to monitor the market. Okay. For me, this is what I'm expecting that will happen. I, another move higher. Then from here, sales setup will occur. But for now, still watching it to give me another move higher. Because to me, wave one, A, B, C, expanding price wave two. Then internal wave of it, wave one, wave two. Another internal wave one, two, three, four, five. Wave three, wave four, wave five of this sky blue. Then the main wave is this is one, this is three, this is four, and this is five. So when this five completes, we will get that big move we are expecting. So just keep watching, keep following me. If you join my Telegram channel, you can ask me please to update on JPY and other yen pays. So very soon yen pays will print money for us. USDJPY, weeks ago, I was thinking that it will truncate when this happened, but it's now trying to complete. So we may expect a bigger move on USDJPY, 151, 152, 153 is where the price will likely reverse. So going low to 4 hours, no changes to 1 hour. You can look for buy setup on 1 hour. As a matter of fact, I want to see it drop a bit lower to give me more confidence to buy. So all this place is a buying zone. Either here or here is a buying zone. So and if you buy from here, stop loss will be just here. Okay. So that's USJPY. Go down to USJ. Sorry. Yes, USJPY. So go down to pound JPY. Pound JPY. Let's check daily again. Daily, we are yet to enter the reversal zone. So we are still have rooms for up move. So until then, nothing to sell. Okay. All this move is correction. You can see it is correction. Okay. Meanwhile, if it keeps going down and break this place, maybe this will be the cap. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expanding, leading diagonal, then ABC. Then so for now, I'm looking for it to buy, and the buy might have started. Okay, the buy might have started. Okay, so let's go to gold. Gold, gold is like making a triangle, like A, B, C, D, E. So gold may keep dropping and come to this lower trend line, but that's for daily time frame. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, I have a reversal zone on 4 hours, and the gold has come to it, and sense of reversal is here. So for now, I'll be watching 1 hour and 15 minutes to know when I'll begin to buy gold. Maybe if I see this happens, if I see another drop, then another move higher, I'm going to look for buy. So gold, gold is still bullish. I didn't see it as that it have turned bearish. No, to me, from my own calculation, gold is still bullish, and this deep drop is an opportunity to make bigger money. When market is correcting, it's giving you opportunity to make money. The deeper it corrects, the better opportunity for you to make money. Silver, the same thing. Silver didn't give us that deep correction. Silver is like giving us a running flat. So now, if silver had made a running flat, it means it's going to go deeper. It's begin to buy from here. That's what I'm expecting. But possibility is there that it can give us a running flat, move a little higher, drop again before begin to buy. This I don't expect. This I am expecting. Remember, I don't control the market. I analyze and forecast. What I expect may not happen, then what I don't expect may happen. Okay? Just like a example of on pounds USD. Okay, so know that I'm analyzing, and it's for I'm showing you how I trade. You may not trade like me, but you can learn from me. And I'm not recommending for you what to do. It's a free analysis that can guide you, but not a recommendation to buy yourself. There's risk in trading. If you want to trade like me, know that I'm also risking. Don't say that you lost your money because of me. No. Platinum, I'm equally looking for buy on platinum. Okay, so I'm looking for buy setup on platinum, not sell setup. As a matter of fact, anything above this place, I begin to buy. Okay. US oil. Oil didn't give me what I was looking for. Oil, my favorite is oil, but this time around, it didn't give me what I'm looking for. I was looking for a higher. I was looking for something higher. This kind of move, so that I will sell from here. But it didn't happen. Meanwhile, that's what is called That's what is called expanding flat. In that case, we may get a kind of A, B, C, expanding flat before it will begin to sell. Meanwhile, if it go up from here, it will be a normal flat because it haven't gone below this place. Even if it go below this place, it can still go up. But if it keeps selling, I will not sell. I will not sell from here. I want to see it go higher before I begin to sell. That's for oil. Uh, and maybe oil is where I will stop. Let me show you Bitcoin. Okay, oil. I will show you 1 hour on oil. Sorry, I didn't show you lower time frame on oil. So you can see oil made a nice correction, but it truncated. Had it been that oil came to uh, this normal, had it been that oil entered in this reversal zone, I would have sold oil because sales top will definitely appear here, but it truncated and began to go down. That's why I missed it. So don't think that I will always catch all the trades. I will miss some. I will trade some. What I'm trying to teach everybody following me is that don't make big loss. Don't make big losses if you are trading. Why? There's no reason for you to make big losses. Is either you gain big, you gain small, or you lose small. Don't lose big. Losing big is gambling or careless trading. I don't encourage that. Now, Bitcoin. Last week, I remember that I show you, go and watch my last week video. I said that we will likely get an A, B, C. Then it will buy. Or we get an A, B, C, D, E. It will buy. Or we get an A, then A, B, C, D, E, B, then C. So this what just happened. Though I want to see it drop to the reversal zone. It didn't get to the reversal zone. Maybe that's a truncate. Maybe it will still come back to cover it. When you have the skills, the knowledge you have gotten it, nobody will take it from you. So our third option is called transpaired. A triangle as a B wave. That's what we got. Now, what next? That's the question. What next? Are we still expecting it to drop to this place? It can, but let's see 1 hour. Okay, now the question is this can be an ABC, though this move here looks impulsive. Now, markets can look an impulse, then it will change and end as correction. Okay, so why am I saying it? It needs somebody who know wave structure to know whether this drop will still happen or not. This drop may still happen, but I cannot tell you now. But as the market develops, how will you know? How will you know? And if it will happen, I will look for buy. Right now, I'm not buying. I would like to sell. If I get set up from here, I will sell. Okay. But if I get the buy set up, the buy set up cannot occur here until the market drops. Then it can occur, or until it breaks this zone. Then it can occur. But if it didn't break this zone, I will not buy because the possibility of it giving us a move lower to the reversal zone, which is let me check the reversal zone where it occurred. The reversal zone on Bitcoin is between 113,700 to 111,800. So this is my expected reversal zone. It didn't get to there, it may still go down there. So don't forget. Then for those of you who are always jittery whenever Bitcoin is going down, don't panic. Even if it dropped to this zone, it is still a bullish market. Bitcoin, remember for months and months, I keep telling you that Bitcoin is going to 114 to 120. We have gotten that. We ended 123. So you can see I know what I'm doing, and they're following me. You will never go astray. So now, what next is on Bitcoin? We are heading to 130. Though not a must, but I know we are going to break this high. This one 1 23,300, we're gonna surpass it. Okay, even if we don't get to 130, we may get to 126. Okay, so keep watching for it. I don't know how else I will tell you that join my class. Once you pay once, you don't pay monthly, you don't pay even yearly. Once I will charge you, you learn at your pace. This is I do it is that some people have time to learn every day, some don't. Some can learn faster, some can't. So once you pay the same money, you learn at your pace. I'm not gonna tell you to pay again. Thank you for watching. God bless you.